Okay. No. More oil.
You get over it. Oh, please try not to worry.
Done, man. She told you I was done.
I can't help
You
worrying.
got less than a month to live.
We can't stay here now, hon. I wanted to hear it from you. Thank you, Mr. Conway.
I got a book.
Attention. Medicare recipients are entitled to save money and get significant new benefits at no additional cost.
Hi folks, Joe Namath here, and if you're on Medicare, this is important. You're now entitled to eliminate co-pays. You need to get everything you're entitled to. Here's the bottom line. Call to get significant benefits at no additional cost, and see if your zip code has coverage with the Give Back benefit.
I called to get the new benefits and save money, so I'm not spending money I don't have to spend.
With this violent situation, I'm calling to get everything I'm entitled to. I couldn't believe I was missing out on so many benefits.
Reality is, it's a very uncertain year ahead, so you need to be sure your health care coverage is up to date. Call now. It's free.
I called to get dental, transportation, meals, and the Give Back benefit. It helped me so much.
Get dental care, dentures, unlimited transportation, and home-delivered meals at no additional cost. And your zip code may have coverage with the Give Back benefit that adds money back to your Social Security check every month.
With the uncertainty of the virus and vaccines, you need to get everything you're entitled to. Millions of people have trusted the Medicare coverage helpline. You can too. Call now. It's free.
Call 1-800-717-8700. That's 1-800-717-8700 now.
According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, motorcyclists are 27 times more likely to die in a crash compared to other motorists. Motorcycle accidents can cause severe injuries, from road rash and broken bones to spinal injuries, brain injuries, injuries and death. If you're a loved one were injured in a motorcycle crash, call Alexander Shannara. Alexander Shannara has a serious motorcycle.
You should call these guys. Advanced law firm.
Thank you for calling Senior. At the Vance Law Firm, we'll shoot you straight every time. If you don't need a lawyer, we'll tell you. If you do, we'll help you.
But now at this point you can add whatever meat you like. I'm going to add sausages, shrimp. I don't have any chicken, but chicken will go in here too, and then you'll be finished with your meal, and you season everything to your taste. And then you'll have yourself a well, this right here is what you would call a roux, but we just call it gravy. I don't want to take any chance with the okra this year because it's stringy, so I'm going to put canned okra in here. It also has tomatoes. Put 2 cans in here. This would normally just be okra, but it works out fine, see? And I'm going to put my meat in. Of course, any other seasoning that you may want to put in it, this is the time to put in it. The gravy tastes really good, or the roux, and that makes for a really good gumbo. So if your gravy is good, you're doing pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in. Because this is going to be my last meat. Normally you'll put some cooked chicken breast or some tore chicken in here right about now. But this is all I'm doing. I'm doing the shrimp and sausage. Once the shrimp turns pink, then it's ready. Gonna pour this over some rice.
It's a new year, and that means you may qualify for new Medicare benefits. Did you know that you may be eligible to get up to $148 added back?
Some of this sausage. And there you go. That's all it is to a good bowl of gumbo. Just make you a good gravy, which they call a good roux. Add chicken broth. I use 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of flour to make the gravy. Use some onions and peppers. And season to your taste. When it tastes good to you, it is good. You throw your sausages and your shrimp in there, and if you got some cut up chicken, put that in there too. You can pour it over rice, or you can just eat it right out a cup, just like that, or a bowl. And this is Val. This is how you do it. Enjoy your easy gumbo.